Okay, so coming into USD, daily is bullish. So yes, last week we broke the swing high right there, strong momentum, and pretty much broke the invalidation line too. So definitely bullish. And my next target is the swing high right there. And possible areas to tap into before is this daily fair value gap right there, and also the order block resting right there. So the last down close candle before this move, before sweeping this last bullish candle, because on the lower time frames there'll be like a swing low which is swept and then pushed up, but we don't always have to go all the way down there. We could tap into that fair value gap and then go up. That's my expectation. Or we could just, you know, go up from today and target this high number one, and then also this high number two, and then you can look at other targets, for example there and there. But for now it's this and that. Then on the hour, pretty much the Asian low is somewhere here at 7 o'clock, and we're quite high up, so I don't think we're gonna drop down like 25 pips in the London session. But in New York, for sure, we could get some sort of entry model. But London doesn't seem that high probability for today. There's this hour fair value gap too, which seems like a magnet to be fair. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's just engineering liquidity to tap into here and then go up there. Then on the 15, the the Asian low pretty much is 7 there. That's our Asian low right there. We have liquidity right below there with a swing low. So like a really nice entry could be sweeping Asia, sweeping that low, and then going up, which could potentially happen in New York, but I doubt it's gonna happen in London. Then yeah, pretty much that's what I'm looking for in London, a sweep of these lows and a move up. In terms of news, there's no news today or tomorrow, but Wednesday there is in New York. But apart from that, London seems clear for the whole week, to be fair. No high impact news, so I'll just be trading as I normally would. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Looking for the Asian low to be taken out, set my alerts right there. We'll see if it happens, and I'll keep you guys updated.